Hello everyone, I'm Gao Qianhui. In response to the environmental pollution caused by tea waste and blue algae in water, I designed a product, the tea waste and blue algae filter shower head. This product not only provides users with pure water, but also reduces environmental pollution by recycling waste materials. The product has wide uses, because shower head is one of the dispensable products in people's daily life. The production process begins with the collection and transportation of tea waste and blue algae. These materials are first cleaned and soaked in deionized water, then dried. Next, they are transported to the shredder to be crushed and filtered. Then, bound ferric oxide nanoparticles to the tea waste using chemical cross-linking techniques. The resulting magnetic tea waste is mixed with spanders and the crushed blue algae, and then the filter of shower heads are produced on a mold forming machine. At the same time, stainless steel was processed using a metal casting machine. The molten steel is poured into a mold, cooled and demolded to produce a shower head housing. Then it is automatically transported to the assembly line. The sixth step is to combine the filter with the shower head housing using an automatic assembly machine. Finally, the assembled shower heads undergo a quality check before being placed on the market. Unlike conventional shower filters, our product is inexpensive to produce and works on a nano principle. As a porous biomass, tea can be converted into activated carbon with high absorption capacity by thermochemical technology. At the same time, algae are rich in metals and have a strong absorption capacity. As a result, filter shower heads made from these two wastes can effectively remove organic pollutants, heavy metal ions, odors in water, and inhibit certain microorganisms. Moreover, after filter effectiveness fails, it can be reused after operations. The above is my introduction of the products I hope you can be interested in. Thank you.